Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to pickle white radish. First, select about 1 pound of fresh white radish, often called dakin, for the best results. Thoroughly wash and peel the radish to remove any impurities. Next, carefully slice the radish into thin, uniform pieces, ideally about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick. You can use a sharp knife or a mandolin for consistent slices, which helps ensure even pickling throughout. Now, let's create the flavorful pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and half a cup of granulated sugar. Then, add 1 tablespoon of salt to this mixture. Gently heat the solution over medium heat, stirring continuously until both the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. This ensures a well-balanced brine that will infuse your radish with delicious sweet and tangy notes. With your radish prepared and brine ready, it's time to combine them. Carefully place the thinly sliced radish into clean, sterilized glass jars, packing them gently. Once the brine has cooled to room temperature, pour it over the radish in the jars, making sure all the radish pieces are fully submerged in the liquid. Finally, seal the jars tightly with their lids and let them cool completely on your counter. After the jars have cooled, transfer them to the refrigerator. For the best flavor, allow the radish to pickle for at least 12 to 24 hours before enjoying. Your delicious pickled white radish will stay crisp and flavorful in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. These tangy, crunchy pickles are wonderful as a side dish, a topping for sandwiches, or a refreshing addition to any meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.